Hi guys, I'm gonna make a video of a tractor transformer and make sure to see part 2 of this tractor transformer where we're gonna build this thing. Look here. It is like a jet. And this is the tractor, which is part 1, this is part 2. Well, let's start with first the obvious, the head. We need one of these pieces. And see this wacky old piece like this? This is like a mini stud with a mini stud. So we have added one upside down on top of a double studded piece. But this has a hole, so that's how we fit it in. And we've put like 2 of them on this. And for these, I placed them on the back studs of this, like this. Easy. Bye-bye head. And now, for the legs, this is how to make the foot. You need one of these like pieces that kind of look like an Among Us, with a hole here. And a connection piece like this. And you put this under this. It's kind of complicated. There you have it. Legs. Now for the bigger parts of the leg, you need 2 of these stacked on top and another wacky stud like this. Can you see? Just like that. And you connect these 2 like this. There you have these things. See you later. And now for the most hardest part of this entire thing. You need another wacky stud on top underneath these 2 clip connections. You get how it is? Because they're hard to remove, so I cannot remove them to show you how. Now for the arm, you need this. So to make it, you need another connection point stud, I don't know what they're called, and a piece like this, and attach. And then another one like this, but instead of a like circle ball here, you get like a stripe on top. Like it's like a sword now. That's what we want. And now we put them like this. Like this. Kind of hard to connect Lego. Now we have 2 on. I built this like before the video. And these 2 parts that we can connect like this. Easy, right? Now let me find these. Cut! Again. Now I found them in the garbage bin. Okay. Now we put the legs, of course. Get these 2, which we place like this, on top of the wacky studs. I might say they look dumb. Well, they are dumb. And then get this headpiece that we're not gonna put like this, neither like this. We're gonna remove something first. This is a part, don't worry, it's not wrong. We remove these in order to connect these pieces. It's kind of hard, actually. They're just moving it. Okay, now it's moved. Now we can replace these back. And we're done. I'm just moving them so they're perfect connection points. And then we are done. Mega robot that looks kind of dumb. Cut. Yeah, now I'm gonna show you something. We still have all of the pieces connected. Just take these parts off. So, well, I did it right. Shut up, motorcycle! Okay, anyway. I made it in the first way. You can make it in two different types. This is the second type. That one was a long neck. This one is a little better, in my opinion. You put this upside down with the studs facing downwards. Shut up, motorcycles! Okay. And you put these upside down as well. On top. The wacky studs are still there. We're just flipping everything like almost upside down. There's this like bob and bop. And here as well. You end up with the second formation of a head, which works perfectly as well. Well, I feel this one is kind of better than that one. Now let me show you the transformation. Well, in that type, when this was here, it's not actually capable of transforming, but this one is. You slap them like this. I'm just kidding. The hands are like this, right? Get this piece, bending it upward like this shape. From behind it looks. Do the same to the other. Kind of difficult actually. Now you get like he's doing like this. Okay? And put them like this. And then make them go up and stack them both on here. You get this shape he's doing like, and then just make him fall over and pop a little detailing just so it doesn't my hand fall off. Okay, now get it here, get it there, and then you have a tractor, kind of. Make sure to watch part 2 for the jet guy. See you later.